Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. And guys, in this video, I am going to conduct your IELTS speaking test. Right? Reality test. Exactly as they conduct in actual IELTS exam with a variety of topics. Right? All you need to do, you need to have pen and paper, a room where there is no one other than you and I. Okay, lock the door. And if you have another spare device, then you can actually record your speaking test as well. Play it on your laptop, do it on your laptop, and then record the voice, and later on you can hear your own recording as well. Okay, so we are going to start. For speaking part 1, I'll give you 15 seconds to answer. There will be countdown timer. For speaking part 2, I will give you 1 minute for preparation, and you should write down some notes. Topic will appear on your screen. And for speaking part 3, I will give you 20 seconds to answer. Okay, sit back, relax, have pen and paper handy, and let's make a start with this speaking test. My name is Asad Yaqub, and I'm going to start your IELTS speaking test. What's your name, please? Sweet name. Do you work or study? Okay, so let's make a start. How often do you buy things online? What was the last thing you bought online? Do you ever see things in shops and then buy them online? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? Do you think the popularity of online shopping is changing your town or city center? Why or why not? Why do some people still prefer in-store shopping? We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute time to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes if you want to help. And after 1 minute, you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. This is your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, thank you. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. When do families celebrate together in your country? How often do all the generations in a family come together in your country? Why is it that some people might not enjoy attending family occasions? Do you think it is a good thing for parents to help their children with schoolwork? How important do you think it is for families to eat together at least once a day? Do you believe that everyone in a family should share household tasks? Thank you so much. That is the end of your IELTS speaking test. Have a fantastic day. Great. So how was your experience? Now comment below and give yourself bench score. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, no, up to 9, okay? Give yourselves bench score and share your experience in the form of comment, and then I'll make more speaking tests for you, and then you don't need a speaking partner. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. We also offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. If you want to book your IELTS exam in any city of Pakistan, we can do that for you without any extra charges. Thank you so much. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck with your IELTS preparation. Take care. Allah Hafiz.